welcome. And today I'm going to guide you step by step on how to fund your Risevest account with Naira. Let's go through how you can fund the Risevest wallet using Naira. This is usually the first thing you will do after signing up, so pay attention. Step 1. Open the app. After you successfully open the Risevest account, then you navigate to the wallet section. Then you click on Fund. Step 2. Select the wallet you want to fund. You can either fund with bank transfer, debit card, or direct debit. If you are funding with bank transfer, you click on bank transfer. Here are the account number that has been provided for you. Then you click on it. Move back to your bank account and make the transfer of the amount you want to fund your account with. Step 3. Confirm your funds have landed. Once the transfer is confirmed, your Naira balance will reflect in your Naira wallet. After you successfully make the transfer, you click on I have paid. Right then, Risevest will confirm your transaction. You can either leave it in Naira or convert it to dollars or use it to fund an investment plan directly. And here are the step-by-step guide on how to fund your Risevest account with Naira.